Good morning, children. Welcome back. I hope you all are fine, just the way I am. I am Sonali ma'am, and yesterday we had done English and we had learnt FL words. I hope you all have written your words neatly and learnt some spellings as well. So today we do a quick recap of FL words and then we do a fun activity and then we do writing in a notebook one more time. So children, you all remember the FL words we learnt yesterday? FL says fleur. F and L together says fleur. So flag, flag. What is this picture? FLAG, flag. A flag is a piece of cloth which is attached to a pole and is used as a sign or symbol, especially of a country. Flag. Next word is flame, flame. Flame, flame. It is the visible part of a fire. It gives light and heat. Next picture is flock, flock. Flock, flock. A number of birds of one kind feeding, resting or traveling together are called a flock of birds. This is floor, floor. Floor, floor. The lower surface of a room on which one walks is called a floor. And the last picture is fly, fly. It is an insect which moves through the air using its wings. So children, these are our FL words which we did yesterday. Okay children, so for the activity today, I've written all the spellings here on different flashcards and here I have the pictures. But if you can see closely, some of the words are not matching with the picture. So let's try and find the right picture with the right word. Okay children, so the first word is fly, fly. So we have to find where the fly is. And the fly is here. So I have a small thread. So we tie a loop here on the word fly. And then we tie one loop here. FLY, fly, comes with the picture fly. The next word is floor, floor. FLOOR, floor. So let's find where the floor is. Where the floor is, it's right here. Very good. So again we tie a loop here on the floor. And we tie one loop here with the picture. Right here. See that? Now the next word. Next word is flame, flame. FLAME, flame. Now where is the picture of flame? Oh, it's right here. Very good. So again we'll tie a loop on the flame here. Flame on the flame here. And we take the thread all the way up here to the flame here. And like this. See? Flame. Next word is flag, flag. FLAG, flag. So where is the flag here? Flame, fly, floor, flock and flag. Yes. So again we tie the knot on flag and like this, and you take it down to this flag pin here and tie the knot like this. Got it children? Good. And the last word is flock, flock. F-L-O-C-K, flock. Let's find flock, children. Flame, fly, floor. Oh, flock right here. So let's tie the knot once more with the word flock, like this. And we take the thread all the way up here to the picture flock and tie a knot like this. So children, this was our activity of FL words. I hope you all have enjoyed it and learned the spellings as well. And now let's begin writing in our notebook. Okay children, so let's start writing. First we'll write today's date on the left corner. Here we will write today's date is 2/3/23.7.20. On the same red line outside the margin, we will write the title. So leave 2 finger space, then write F, L, 1 finger space, W, O, R, D, S, FL word. Okay children, so let's start writing the first word, flag. So make a curve from the red line, come down to the second blue line, across, red line to blue line, L, blue line to blue line, A, make a curve, come up and down, and G, make a curve, come up and come all the way down to the red line and make a curve. F-L-A-G, flag. A flag is a piece of cloth which is attached to a pole and is used as a sign or symbol, especially of a country. Next word is flame, flame. So from the red line, make a curve, come down in a straight line to the second blue line, across, red line to second blue line, L, make a curve, come up and down, A, make a standing line and make a curve, touch the blue line, make one more curve, M, and blue line to blue line, E. F-L-A-M-E, flame. It is the visible part of a fire. It gives light and heat. Next word is flock. So again we make a curve from the red line, come down, across, red line to second blue line, L, blue line to blue line, O, make half a curve, blue line to blue line, C, red line to blue line, standing line, K, and put your pencil in the middle of the standing line, make a slanting line up. On the slanting line, leave a little gap and make another slanting line, K. F-L-O-C-K, flock. A number of birds of one kind feeding, resting, or traveling together are called a flock of birds. Next word is floor. So make again an F, curve, come down, across, red line to blue line, L, blue line to blue line, O, blue line to blue line, O, blue line to blue line, standing line, come up and make a curve. F-L-O-O-R, floor. The lower surface of a room on which one walks is called a floor. Last word is F-L-Y, fly. So again we make a curve from the red line, come down to the second blue line, make an F, across, red line to second blue line, L. Now a slanting line from blue line to blue line, another slanting line, blue line to red line, Y. F-L-Y, fly. It is an insect which moves through the air using its wings. Okay children, so let's read the FL words one more time. Flag, flag, F-L-A-G, flag. flame. F-L-A-M-E, flame. Flock. F-L-O-C-K, flock. Floor. Floor. F-L-O-O-R, floor. F-L-Y, fly. So children, these 5 words we have to write it 3 times. Read the spellings, learn them properly and write them 3 times very neatly. So children, I hope you all have enjoyed learning the FL words. Please learn the spellings and write your work neatly and take care of yourself till we meet again. Bye-bye.